I'm Bruce Burgess from Red Raven Computing Studios, and I'm just giving a dev update to where I'm currently at on my project. I'm working on a proof of concept for a on-device speech-to-text feeding into a large language model pipeline. I'm going to probably use whisper.cpp, which is OpenAI's Whisper, but in the C++ format. I've downloaded that, but I have not yet to test it or to play with it to see its capabilities yet. Just cloned it. But I have worked on and setting up a basic, simple UI in Flutter to get started with the process of working on this project. The idea is going to be the current AI integration is still in front of me, but it's basically the idea is going to be I'm going to be putting in the speech to text and then the large language model, so that and then have it be able to take a person's voice and be able to go to the large language model to get some sort of output. Right now, it's just a very simple demo. When I hit the button, it's just going to throw some text on the screen. Like you see here, I hit it twice. The idea for this is basically when I start working with the speech to text and I'm trying to implement it on the device, that I could see on the device, not just in my console logs, but see it on the device itself. Because when I start getting to the microphone part, I'm going to have to use a physical device, and I can't use a simulator for the microphone part. But I'll have to test it probably with a pre-recorded voice sound speech signal pattern, just to use a pipeline faster. But it's using a floating action button right now just to get the give me a button to have some interaction. It's just hitting that demo there up there. So it's just a basic outline and structure with this. It's like I said, it's pretty basic. It's not too fancy or over the top. It's just enough to keep it grounded. So the next steps, since I have this UI, the next step is to investigate the Whisper model. Try to see if I can't get to work on my Mac, and try to see if I can't infer it to make sure that the project is not broken, that it can run. And then after that, to try to start adding it to the physical to a platform. I'm probably might start off with the iOS side, because with this I'm going to have to do both sides, iOS and then the Android side. So might start off with the iOS side just simply because I got an iPad Pro that tends to be more powerful than my phones, and I can use that for basic testing of implementation first, and before I start shifting over to the phone itself. So, but yeah, this is where I'm at right now, and hopefully I can try to crawl and make some more progress a little bit later. All right, have a good one.